my channel. My name is Tawana. The name of my channel is called TMJ Home and Decor. On my channel, I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and join the family. If you are new here, welcome. If you have subscribed to the channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we'll be tidying up the house for the week, cleaning out the refrigerator. I do have a small grocery haul I'll be sharing with you guys, and putting away the groceries. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Some turkey bacon, some cheddar cheese, some Sounds Fresh salsa. We'll be doing tacos tonight. Some whole wheat bread, some oil, corn oil, shredded lettuce, some paper plates. I love using the Dixie paper plates. I have some blueberries and blackberries right here, some cucumbers, some yogurt, and my favorite eggs. You guys, I can't eat any other egg, only Eggland's Best. I did pick up a small order from Walgreens this week. They did have a coupon for the Scott tissue, so I got 3 of the toilet tissues and 3 of the paper towels. And I also picked up the bottled water. Now you get 3 for $8 this week, but I only purchased 1 for $3.99. Now you guys, if you didn't know, I am a couponer. So yes, I do get on my coupon deals weekly. So I also have some Taco Bell hot sauce, some Quaker oats, and a pineapple. So I'm gonna put away these groceries and we'll get into the rest of the video. To clean my fruit, I have some white vinegar and baking soda. I'm going to sprinkle the baking soda over my fruit and then pour a little vinegar over it to clean my fruit and run some warm water over it. Before I put away my grocery, I like to wipe down the packaging so that I know that the package is clean. So I'm going to use my Lysol wipes to wipe down the packaging. Now that everything is nice and clean, I'm gonna put these items away and I'll be back.